Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Brother, today you are accepting Islam, and then the commandments will start assisting you because this is the power and strength in the name Allah, also known as Ahiyya Ashhadu. Ashhadu
Ashradu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
ashradu wa ashradu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammad
abduhu
abdahu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
I bear witness
I will witness
there is no God
there is
other
no
than
God.
Allah
Allah
is the only God,
is the only God,
and
and
I bear witness
I bear witness
Prophet Muhammad
Prophet Muhammad
sallallahu alaihi wasallam
sallallahu wasallam
sallallahu
sallallahu
alaihi wasallam
alaihi wasallam
is slave and prophet of Allah.
slave a prophet and Allah.
Slave and prophet
Slave
belonging
and
to Allah.
prophet Allah.
Prophet belonging to Allah.
Prophet belonging to Allah.
Your shahada is complete.